Hello everyone, this is Nico Menko Photography, and this is a trip video where we are taking pictures and having fun in the islands of Hawaii. Hawaii is a beautiful place and have 8 islands to go, so this video is going to be all about Kauai Island. So we are going on an adventure together, guys, so buck it up. So Hawaii is an amazing place to come to visit. We have many things to see. So we're gonna actually mark you on the map the locations we actually been stopping for, and you guys can revisit those places. We're gonna show you our adventures. This island is pretty big. It might take you a few days to visit all of the locations. Don't believe it's possible to do it in one day. But it's not hard to go and do a road trip for the whole island. It really takes like 5 hours to go through all this island. So this is actually our first stop, and look at this beauty, guys. And here we are.
Yay!
Yes.
So our second stop was we were on the other view, the first view of the little canyon and the big river. So this is another one.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure those rocks are volcanic. It's not regular soil. It's so red. You don't see like that in any place. Only in the jungles or Hawaii, I would say. Definitely hard to get a photo here because many people stop by to see this place, but we managed somehow how to get some pictures. We just need to be very patient, for sure. All right, to the next stop. So we are parked in the middle of nowhere. You can see people right there paying money just to park when you can actually get a free access. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! Waimea Canyon on Kauai west side of described as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Although not as the big old cousin of Arizona desert, there will be a large geographic wonder in Hawaii, stretching 40 miles long, 1 mile wide, and more than 3,600 feet deep. The Waimea Canyon lookup provides panoramic view of cross border rocks and deep valley of gorgeous view. So we want to get to the mini falls. Now you have a 2 hours hike to get to the mini falls. We actually managed to save 1 hour of hiking by going off-road on the Jeep. You have a special trail, we see it here on the video. The road was very bumpy, so you have to be 4-wheel drive to do it. So Jeep was the best option, and we're glad we actually took it to our trip. It's up to you guys. If you really like the adventure, you can hike, but we really enjoyed doing this. It's actually my first time doing an off-road trip, and you can see I got to really have fun with that. I think that's the
park here, maybe.
That's the parking?
Yeah, I think we can park here.
There's a small swimming hole first. The second one you probably can't swim in, but you can get underneath the waterfall. Cool off. They're not very tall. They're
okay.
The tallest part of the waterfall, you'll not reach there. You reach the top. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're going to the
two more
top
big
of the
parts. You're not going there because the hike is amazing. It's like so big to go there. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see the first one, keep going. Okay. You got it.
I mean, the places are basic too, you know? I'm gonna take one. Look at my first one.
So we made it.
We did it. I'm afraid how it's gonna be on the way back to you.
Yeah, we didn't record the most of it, but it was pretty hard to get. Slippery for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, you fell like twice maybe.
yes, we did.
We made it.
Yay!
Yay!
A long journey.
Long journey, but look at this. We are up. Oh my god. So dangerous. And you can see the helicopter. Yeah. We finally made it to the car. Tired.
We made it.
But we made it.
To be honest, it was less painful coming back to coming down. So it was good. I thought I was not gonna make it, but we did it.
Now let's test our Jeep Wrangler if we actually gonna make it again to climb up. Six Flags? Yeah, it's definitely Six Flags.
Good outfit though, okay.
For sure. Chicken. Forgot to tell you, in Hawaii you have chickens everywhere. Wherever you go, you can find chickens.
Still in the middle.
Get out!
It's still in the middle.
Get out! So we are on the next spot. Look at this. Look at this.
You ready?
This is our second day of exploring and we had some sad news. Our snorkeling trip got cancelled. They say the boat was not working and they're not available to sail. So we find someone else in the area that could take us on the water caves of the island of Kauai, but it's a rough boat. So remember my word, the last time we taken a rough boat. Hope you guys don't do the same mistake like we did. The only way to see the caves on the island is through the boat, so you guys have to find better way of trip or managing your trip better than we do. You can also have hikes if you go from the north side of the island, but these hikes can be very dangerous and it can be also really long time. Safe way is actually taking a boat trip. I would say they're not that expensive, but definitely make sure you gotta find the right one. I wish you know ahead of time that we can go to a local town and they have those tools already ready. We just try to trust Google and find some, so fortunately we got the rough tool.
Right now,
So we are actually planning to go to Hanakapia Falls, but fortunately we need reservation, and that's something we didn't know. So if you guys want to go there, make sure you make reservation, don't make mistake that we did. So instead of that, we just go swimming on Hanakapia River. It's a really free access. The water is amazing, really clear. You guys can see we've been enjoying swimming in this area. So that's something you guys can do the same like we did, and we took some awesome pictures in the area also. So we are finding, I don't know what it is, papaya, coconut, something inside the water. Surviving the jungle.
Wow.
A true live coconut.
So, oh, but Nick was a stubborn. Oh God. Oh
God. We living the life.
God.
You've been saying I'm stubborn? Now it's worth it.
They call it a pool pond, and you know why it's the name. It's because it's cold.
It is cold. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you made it. After trying eating our coconut in the lake, we decided to try the one with the local ones, and it was not the same. The one on the lake was taste better. Thank you so much. Yeah, so don't go to Tony's. This is a fresh coconut. Go to Hawaii. You have a lot of juice.
A lot of juice.
Okay, so says here, do not touch, move, or stalk rocks. Probably the whole cave will fall on you. Yes.
Wow.
We can get very deep. This is a very deep cave inside. Smell the cave. Yeah, so this is a very deep cave. Look at this cut. Oh, you don't see nothing. Oh. And we out. Something I really like about the Hawaiian people, they don't get plastic straws. Hyena! Hyena. Look at the tree. Beautiful culture. So guys, if you want to see some sea life, make sure you find a rocky place that have corals. Fishes really love corals, and you can find a lot of fish in Hawaii. So make sure you guys dive in and check this out. You can see I've been recording it. I've been trying to very swim, but the waves are actually very hard. So I was trying to resist myself to get some good images. You can see I've been struggling a lot. The waves are very strong, and I was a very good diver. But again, be careful guys. If you do that like me, those rocks can be very painful. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this chapter. If you got all the way to the end of this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you like our content and press the like button. We're gonna make another continue video of the Hawaii trip, so we're gonna finish on this point. So you guys, if you like it, just enjoy watching this beautiful sunset, and see you guys on the next video.